Hey guys, good morning. Today is a great day. It's Sunday and IKEA just delivered some items and most of them are for the kitchen. So we are going to set up the kitchen together.
Perfect!
I'm on an eating break. This is pilau from Kenya and this is hamburger steak I got from my last vlog. I'm so tired from assembling furniture. I do have the table left, the shelf is up, the chairs are up, the rug is up, and I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys know to what extent my excitement is, and this is not something I'm doing for the first time. In 2021, my parents trusted me to decorate our family home, and I had no experience, to be quite honest. They just knew how creative I was and how I've been talking about interior design, and they gave me a lot of money to do that project. So I did it. We tore down walls, literally, with the builders and the masons and everyone, the carpenters, and that place looked amazing. And then the next year, we decided we were going to do the upstairs, the bedrooms, family room, office, the staircase. And I did that. In fact, that was the last thing I did before I left Kenya. The night before I traveled, I was still putting up things. And as we were doing that part, my parents also had built another home, another building. I don't know what to call it, in our apartment, in our compound, just next to our house. The ground floor is a bakery, and then the first and second floor are apartments for our guests whenever we have guests, because our family home had like only 5 bedrooms, enough for us, and we didn't have a place for guests. So when I was leaving the country, I was working on that project, which unfortunately I didn't finish. That's the one thing I regret. The family home was okay, like the foundation was laid. It wasn't completely done, but no one can tell that it's not done. But the other house, I just left when we had chosen some of the furniture, the couches, but everything else was not yet done. So yeah, I'm really excited to be doing this here in Japan. It's now my place and I get to decide how I want it to look. I feel so bad sometimes because Japan is not my home and I wished it was my home so I could decorate and not have to worry about, oh, when I move what happens. But I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But for now, this is what makes me happy, and I'm not going to live my life thinking about the future but the now. So if now I want to spend money and decorate, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, let me enjoy my meal. The goal was to create a kitchen island, but with a dining table. That's why I only have 2 dining chairs, and I'm really happy with the results.